Hey, what's going on guys, Gabriel here, and today I've got some really exciting news. I can finally announce that my brand new class, Complete Game VFX Walkthrough, is officially available for pre-order. I have partnered with Coloso, an amazing digital art education platform, to create what is by far my biggest and most complete VFX course to date. And if you are interested, make sure to grab the special pre-order coupon below on the description or on the comments. If you have followed my channel for a while, you know I've been creating game visual effects tutorials for almost a decade now. During that time, I released hundreds of tutorials, dozens of assets packs, worked with studios around the world and helped thousands of developers improve their visual effects. This course is everything I've learned, condensed into one structured experience. I will guide you through every single concept step by step. We will begin by understanding what makes great game visual effects. Not only how to make something pretty, but why effects communicate gameplay. How they guide the player's attention, how they make attacks feel powerful, how they improve readability, and how they create satisfying feedback. And once you understand those fundamentals, we will dive into Unity. You will learn the particle system, shader graph, UV animation, textures, materials or shaders, and all the techniques used to create stylized real-time visual effects. Everything is explained from the ground up with care and with detail. It's a 17+ hour course. We will create stylized buffs, healing effects, debuffs, powerful area of effect explosions, a magical ground rift that opens up the ground, a stylized water tornado, an arcane meteor crashing into the ground with an explosive impact, and we will finish the course creating one of the most interesting effects, a complete inspired Kamehameha beam attack, from the initial charge to the beam to the impact, and all the little details that makes it feel satisfying. And what's great is that by the end of the course you will have created 16 unique stylized visual effects that you can immediately use in your own games or show them on your portfolio or improve on top of them. But I think what's really important is that I don't want you to leave this course only knowing how to recreate effects. I want you to really understand the principles behind them and why we do this and why we do that. So after the course you can create your own spells and show them on Discord, on X, on any social media, so you can build your portfolio with your own explosions, your own abilities, your own artistic style as well, which has always been my goal as a teacher. So if becoming a game VFX artist is something you really have been thinking about, or maybe you really want to improve your game developer skills so you can take your projects a step further and polish them even more, I truly think you are going to love this class. The pre-order is officially open right now, and if you want to take advantage of the launch discount, check the link below, and I honestly cannot wait to see the amazing effects you will create after taking this class. So, I'll see you on the course.